Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. We all crave that perfect escape, a cozy hideaway nestled in nature. But the cost and complexity of traditional building can make that dream feel impossible. Not anymore. Thanks to innovation, the dream cabin is now faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever. Welcome to the world of compact prefab cabin designs. Compact prefab cabins blend the timeless charm of a cabin with the efficiency and precision of modern manufacturing. We're going to cover exactly what defines this design, why it's the smarter choice for your budget and sanity, how to make the exterior truly stand out, and count down the top 10 best compact prefab cabin designs we've discovered. Let's get started on your instant sanctuary. The term compact prefab cabin design describes a small dwelling, typically under 800 square feet, that is constructed off-site in modular sections or as complete units within a controlled factory environment. Compact refers to the optimized footprint, maximizing functionality in a minimal area, and prefab is short for prefabricated, meaning the home is largely built before it reaches its final destination. This construction method ensures superior quality control, as the build isn't exposed to weather delays or on-site inconsistencies. Once complete, the modules are transported and quickly installed onto a prepared foundation, often taking days, not months. These designs are frequently characterized by a modern aesthetic, clean lines, large windows to capture views, and highly efficient, integrated interiors that use every inch of space. It's essentially a turnkey solution for a high-quality, architecturally designed getaway, eliminating about 80% of the traditional construction chaos. The advantages of choosing a compact prefab cabin are both economic and practical, making it a compelling alternative to traditional stick-built construction. First and foremost is speed and predictability. Because the bulk of the construction happens simultaneously with site preparation, the entire timeline can be drastically reduced, often by half. This saves money on construction loan interest and allows you to enjoy your cabin sooner. Secondly, there's a major cost efficiency and environmental benefit. Factory production minimizes material waste, and the modular process often allows companies to purchase materials in bulk, leading to significant cost savings. Furthermore, these compact units are typically designed for high energy efficiency, offering better insulation and tighter seals, which lowers long-term utility costs and reduces the environmental footprint. Finally, the portability and versatility is unmatched. If you ever need to relocate, some models can be detached and moved, offering incredible flexibility for land use or change of plans. For a compact prefab cabin, the exterior decoration should focus on blending the modern structure into the natural environment, while emphasizing the luxury of the escape. Start by creating a natural connection base. The transition from the cabin to the ground should feel seamless. Use simple stone skirting, gravel beds, or a wide, low deck made from a durable, natural material like composite or treated cedar. Avoid fussy flower beds and opt for minimal, native landscaping to anchor the cabin. Next, leverage exterior lighting for drama. Use minimal, focused uplighting to highlight the exterior materials, like wood grain or metal siding, and warm-toned string lights under the deck or porch roof to create a cozy, welcoming glow in the evening. Finally, focus on the outdoor living space. Since the interior is compact, the deck is essential. Furnish it with simple, weather-resistant seating and include a designated area for a fire pit or small outdoor kitchen to truly extend the functional living area outdoors. These are the designs proving that compactness and luxury are not mutually exclusive. Here are the top 10 best compact prefab cabin design ideas. One, the double-height window wall. This compact design utilizes a vertical elevation, featuring a window wall that spans 2 stories. This brings in massive amounts of light, showcases a loft interior, and visually explodes the small footprint. 2. Integrated covered entrance deck. The cabin's roof is dramatically extended over the front deck. This provides essential protection from the elements, defining a comfortable outdoor living room, even when raining. 3. Dark cladding to recede into nature. The entire exterior is wrapped in dark tone cladding, black, metal, or charred wood. This deliberate choice helps the cabin disappear into the forest background, making the surrounding nature the dominant feature. 4. Strategic use of exterior wood slat screening. Wooden slats are used over certain window areas or on the porch to provide passive sun shading and privacy without completely blocking the light or view. 5. Fold-down deck/patio conversion. A brilliant solution for tiny plots. A section of the wall or the railing folds down to instantly create a secure deck or a large serving window, maximizing usable area when needed. 6. Seamless interior-exterior material flow. The materials used on the interior, such as a specific wood paneling, are continued onto the exterior deck ceiling or a small exterior wall accent, visually linking the two spaces. 7. Loft sleeping nook with skylight. Inside, the compact space utilizes a cozy loft accessed by a minimalist ladder, featuring a prominent skylight above the bed for stargazing. This design makes the most of the vertical volume. 8. Compact kitchen with built-in seating. The kitchen, though small, is highly functional with full-sized appliances and integrates a dining solution, such as a booth or banquette seating, to save floor space. 9. Vertical metal panel accents. To contrast the wood siding, vertical bands of dark, ribbed metal paneling are used. This modern accent adds an industrial texture and breaks up the monotony of the facade. 10. A-frame style with full glass facade. A quintessential prefab design, featuring the simplicity of the A-frame structure with the entire front gable dedicated to glass, offering breathtaking, symmetrical views. Compact prefab cabins represent the perfect marriage of modern technology and the timeless desire for a peaceful retreat. They eliminate the complications of traditional building while delivering high style, efficiency, and a deep connection to the environment. The dream of your perfect getaway is no longer years away. It could be delivered to you in a matter of weeks. Which of these fantastic compact prefab designs would you choose for your next sanctuary? Let us know which style you prefer in the comments below. If this video has inspired you to think smaller and build smarter, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. We're here every day to bring you the best and most innovative architectural ideas. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and happy prefabricating!